I'm working on washi sticker paper, playing around with it. What I ultimately want to do is create a roll of sticker stamps similar to Kelly Lou's. But I don't think that's going to be possible, but I will still play around with it and see. But first, I need to figure out what I want on that roll of stamps. I came up with the idea of drawing some Beatrix Potter inspired illustrations. I'm going to make 10, but probably end up choosing just 5 out of those 10. So let's go ahead and get started. Come join me. I need to turn off my studio lamp because it's going to be another beautiful sunny day. But up north in Pennsylvania, Punxsutawney Phil didn't see his shadow, which means an early spring. So several days have gone by already. I've been busy drawing, as you can see. I drew 10 illustrations. I think I videotaped 8 of them, and 2 of them I didn't. If I did, I may have lost the footage, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all 10 of them, and then we'll see what our next step is. Okay, it's not going to be in the order that I drew them, but anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is the window, and if you're wondering what this window is, it's the window at Hilltop Farm, which is the home of Beatrix Potter. I stood near it, so I thought I would draw a picture of her window. And here is Grandma Hedgehog. She's just baked the pie. She's the only one where I have the background kind of blurry. I wanted to do that so that she could stand out, and I really like the way it came out. Here is Sleepy Frog, just enjoying a nice summer day out in Lake Windermere, which is near the town where Beatrix Potter lived. And here's Mrs. Mouse getting ready for spring, doing some spring cleaning. Got some carrots growing and some raindrops falling on them. And can you tell who's been here? Got some footsteps there. And I think this was the first one I drew. This is Mrs. Duck with her ducklings. And she's pretty simple. I'm not sure if I'm going to maybe add some more texture to her or what, but it seems like she needs something. So some rain boots in the garden. Time to harvest some carrots. And they got a fence with some seed packets. Carrots growing, and we're going to plant some more seeds for more carrots because you just can't have enough carrots, right? And here's a pail, a watering pail with the carrots and the fence in the background. And then we've got Bad Bunny here digging up the carrot garden and getting into trouble. And there you go. That's all 10 of them. What I'm going to go do now is take them into Photoshop and then Silhouette Studio to cut them out, and then I'll show you the results at the end. Still not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I think this is just to show you the process of printing and cutting washi sticker paper. I'll leave a link below. I got them through Amazon. So okay, let's go ahead and continue. So I'm in Silhouette Studio, and I've made a scalloped edge around these 3 illustrations. It's the red line, and those are cut lines. I need to fill up the page with the rest of the stickers. Hopefully I can fit them all. So I printed out a prototype in black and white. It's obvious that I need a new blade, so I'm going to have to go to Michael's today. Oh yay, somebody upstairs is flushing their toilet. That's one thing I do hear from my neighbors, but other than that, hardly anything. So okay, yeah, I need a new blade, so it's hard to show you what it looks like, but see the edges? They're not cut correctly only because of the blade. This top one is. See how it's round too, but see how much better that one came out? Right now we're just looking at the edges. Hello. Well, I am back, and no, I didn't find them. Of course not. But I found lots of other stuff. I knew this was going to happen. Anyway, so I was looking for frosted tumblers, and to order them from another artist. As much as I would love to, it's just too expensive. You know, yeah, you buy it for like 20 bucks, but then the shipping is just double. So I just went ahead and bought me a plain one at Michael's, $9.99, and then I went to Hobby Lobby to see if they had some silhouette blades, and they didn't. So neither store had the blades, but the Hobby Lobby had two of these, two for $11.99. But I don't know. I didn't open up the package to see if they were the same size. But anyway, I'm happy with this, and I'm gonna attach my Audrey, the magnificent cat, on it, and that'll be my frosted mug. How fun is that? Cute. There's my mug. Watch this. And yes, it comes with the bamboo lid and a stainless steel straw. $9.99. Put your own stickers on it and you're good to go. Cute. So I'm going to have to order some blades. I'm going to have to order them, and I'm going to have to put my project on hold until I get them. I just installed the new blade right there, and I'm going to go print now. So I just pulled it off the silhouette, and here's the moment of truth. Look at that. Friends, smooth as butter. What a difference a new blade makes. What a difference a new blade makes. Okay, I'm going to pull them all off the mat first before I test them out. I'm excited. Okay. Here we go. So they print out amazingly. The only thing that doesn't print out well are dark colors, like for instance, the brown. It's grainy. But when you go to the blue, amazingly, it's not grainy. So do I use light colors only from now on? Okay, I'm going to peel it off and see if it works. Okay, I lifted up a corner. It cut too deep, so it's peeling off the back of the paper along with the washi. Okay, here we go. You see me pulling it off? Okay, it's stuck. Why is it stuck? That should have cut off. There we go. Had to kind of pull it off gently. But there's the window. It looks like a stamp. 2 inches by 1 1/4 inch. I need to fix the blade to not cut so deep around the edges, but it did cut very well around the border. You see the strip here, perfect. Other than that, they come out really good. I'm happy with them, I like them, but again, they're not for sale. Not until I master it some more and get it better. So, wow, what a journey. It was fun. Of course, the drawing part is the most fun, but then the reveal at the end on how it came out is just as fun. So I'll be using these in my correspondence and whatever else. If you have any suggestions or any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the description box below. And we'll see you the next time around. And thanks for stopping by if you've made it this far. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more content. And it'll help my channel grow. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Take care and God bless.